Future Lab is a service we created after recognizing a growing need to anticipate the changing market and competition around us. We wanted a solution that helps us innovate better services that match the future market and the expectations of our customers. And this is why Future Lab by Eficode was born. In Future Lab, we guide and facilitate the participants to explore new business opportunities and innovate fresh, validated concepts in just 5 business days. Future Lab consists of facilitated co-creative workshops that can be held either face-to-face or 100% remotely. We focus to bring people together in a safe creative space to get into an innovative spirit. In our process, we use design thinking and innovation methods, such as collaborative ideation, validating ideas, and early risk mitigation. These help us identify new business opportunities, combine different perspectives, and prepare ideas for validation quickly.
You are not the first one to benefit from Eficode Future Lab. Our customers working on cutting-edge 5G technology have already adopted it successfully. As a new technology, 5G offers tremendous possibilities for communication service providers and enterprises. Yet, one of the biggest challenges in monetizing 5G is to identify the use cases to invest in and to find the right innovation partners. With Eficode Future Lab, we bring 5G and CSP industry players together to innovate, co-create, and to validate new use cases quickly. This supports prioritization, investment decisions, and risk mitigation.
With experience, we know that innovating new services bring true customer value and competitive edge. We'd like you to benefit from this concept too. So get in touch and we'll start creating your future today.